Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play on Old Peak. The singular, most direct way to experience Old Peak is by utilizing the well-maintained Summit Trail. This trail is the only authorized path leading directly to the peak's summit, ensuring a safe and structured journey. You'll find the trailhead conveniently situated at the main park entrance, making it easy to begin your adventure. Remember to check the park's operating hours before your visit. Once you're on the Summit Trail, you'll discover the unique features of Old Peak. The peak itself provides breathtaking panoramic views, often extending more than 50 miles across the landscape. Along your ascent, keep an eye out for several marked viewpoints, perfect for capturing stunning photographs. The area is also home to a rich variety of wildlife, including over 100 distinct bird species, making it a nature lover's delight. Preparation is key for an enjoyable and safe trip to Old Peak. Always wear sturdy hiking boots that provide excellent ankle support, as the trail can be uneven in sections. It's crucial to carry ample water, at least 2 liters per person, to remain hydrated during your journey. A small first aid kit is also essential for minor scrapes or blisters. Don't forget a reliable navigation tool, like a map and compass. To truly maximize your experience on Old Peak, consider starting your hike early in the morning. This allows you to avoid the busiest times and enjoy cooler, more pleasant temperatures. Always remember to stay strictly on the marked trails. This protects both the delicate ecosystem and ensures your personal safety. Practice the leave no trace principle by packing out everything you bring in. Finally, always check the weather forecast before heading out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.